How you guys doing? I got the Liberty 800 all torn down. It's got a bad crank seal. This crank seal is pretty shot, so it blew up. I got a new jug. Got the old one there. I gotta clean it all up still, reassemble it. It's gonna go on a O2 Edgex. It's gonna be all just standard built, nothing fancy. I'm gonna clean it all up, repaint it. I'm just gonna paint the motor black. Leftover paint I had from my LS. Checked all the bearings. All the bearings seem to be pretty good. Looked like I had a little bit of moisture in here. I'm gonna change the stud. I have other studs of other motor parts, so if I need something. But yeah, thank you.